Alright, so today we're going to talk about how to program a power management module for a DE 1550 or a AMP 5000 system. Right now we can see that the switch is in the off position, but yet the system is powered on. And the only thing wrong with it is that the PMM has not been programmed correctly yet. So what we have is we have our computer hooked up to our adapter, and it's plugged in with the test port connection to the bottom side of the PMM. And we can see by the three lights that we are receiving power. Our voltage is good according to the program. It's in it right now by default, and that we do have the switch turned on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to trip it by pushing the trip button, and everything turned off. And now we can see that we do not have power going out of this thing to power up things. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to go on and rotate this rotary switch to 7. Right now it's pointing to A or B, I think. Alright, so 7, and that just sets the amperage on this thing to 10 amps. Our dip switches are all in the right configuration for our application. I'll just go through them real quick. Fast, manual, 24 volts, and battery saver mode. So we're going to switch over to our laptop real quick. And we're going to open up a Modbus tool. You can download this from our website. And I'm going to kind of go through really quick. COM port setup. My COM port on my laptop happens to be 10. The baud rate should be set to 38,400, timeout 1,000, parity none, stop bits 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just jump up to register 40147, and I'm going to hit auto poll and labels. And I'm going to change our debounce timer to 10 minutes. And then I'm going to change our battery voltage at register 40152 to 23.5. No decimal points needed. So 235 equals 23.5 volts. So I'm going to push enter. And those two are saved. And I'm going to jump up and around 40001, and I'm going to reassign the labels, and we're going to change this 40001 to from a 2 to a 1. Enter. And then I'm going to run over here to our stop bits and change that first 1 to a 0, enter. I'm going to push labels. There we go. So our load control, all we want to do is make sure this red light is bright red, not a dark red or black. And if it's not on yours, just simply move your mouse on it and click it one time. It should change red. Then we can go back. We want to save this, and the best way to do it is change the view from 32 to 1, and then go up here and enter around 40200, and all we want to do is enter in a set command real quick, which saves all these changes we've made. So that command is 1530. Hit enter. Noticed it blinked and went right back to 0, so that means it took our command. At this point, I'm just going to shut down the software, and now I'm going to reopen the software just to double check and make sure the things that we entered in saved correctly. And I'm just going to do a quick shortcut. 40147, auto poll, labels, and we can see we have a 10, we have a 23.5, we are good. At this point, we're going to shut down the software, and we're going to go back to our panel. I'm going to unplug our communication and snap this guy back on the DIN rail. Real quick, I'm going to disconnect power to do kind of a hard reset. Hook power back up. Now, notice we have power to it, our voltage is good, but we still are turned off. So we have to physically reset this guy. And actually,